Welcome. If you want to make sure you never miss any alert from your Gmail app, you're in the right place. Today, we'll walk through the steps to enable all miscellaneous notifications for Gmail on your phone, fully updated for the latest version. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open your device's settings. This is typically represented by a gear icon. You can find it in your home screen, app drawer, or by swiping down the notification shade and tapping the gear at the top. Next, tap on Apps. This section lets you control all app-related settings. Scroll through your list of installed apps until you find Gmail. When you spot the familiar red and white envelope icon, tap on it. Inside the Gmail app information page, you'll see different options for controls and permissions. Look for notifications and select it. This is where you can tailor exactly which notifications you want to receive from Gmail. Now, to customize your notification preferences further, find and tap on Notification Categories. Here, Gmail organizes its notifications into different sections like Mail, Promotions, and the one we're focusing on today, Miscellaneous. Scroll through the categories until you see Miscellaneous. This category includes important alerts that aren't simply about new mail, such as security alerts, updates about account activity, and other helpful notices that might be easy to overlook. To allow these notifications, just toggle the Allow Notifications switch to ON for Miscellaneous. When the switch is turned on, you'll start receiving all those extra notifications that Gmail thinks you should know about. And that's it. You've now enabled all miscellaneous notifications for Gmail on your phone. With these settings, you won't miss important alerts about your account or updates from the Gmail app itself. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to explore more tips to keep your digital life organized and secure. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy a more connected inbox.